crumb mushroom filled with cheese.
One of our viewers recently asked us about when we would be uploading a food vlog from Goa. Good evening guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
And in today's video we have travelled all the way to Gauravadu in Kandolim from Kalangut to meet a very well-known chef who's been the talk of the town since many years. Chef Soumyan is not just popular among Indian tourists, he's very well known amongst the international tourist community as well. Go inside now and check out the place, and guess who we have here? We have Chef Soumyan.
How are you?
I'm great, thank you so much. So all this while we were connected through Facebook because we are on this group called The Love of Goa, and I have heard so much about Chef Soumyan. If I have to introduce him, I think we'll take like an hour or so just for the introduction bit. He's been a chef since almost 30 years, 30 plus years, and he started almost 3 restaurants in Goa, as you mentioned. And this restaurant is on since 2007. 2007, great. So guys, I'll leave Chef Soumyan for a bit because he's busy right now, and let me take you around the restaurant and show you the place. So stay tuned.
It's the early evening.
Yes, it's just the early evening, but yeah, he's expecting a lot of people walking in now. All right, great. Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. So give me a bit, I will show you around. Let me start off from outside. So you see the lane at the end over there. If you take a left, that side is Kandolim and right is Kalangut. And guys, as soon as you enter, you will see some bright lights and this beautiful board here. So they have been in existence since 2007, and right here at the entrance they have displayed their menu. So you can come here and have a look at the menu. And I like this restaurant because it is very spacious, and at the same time they have maintained very good cleanliness as well. So it's very neat and tidy. And as soon as you enter, this is the table that we've taken. So Adrian is right here, and today there's going to be a live band, and this right here is the bar. So they have a very cool setup, very nice lights, very bright, and it's very airy. It's not cluttered at all. And I see this beautiful Royal Enfield bike here. I need to check with the chef what's the story behind this bike. And here we have some more tables, and this side here is the kitchen. So you can see the chefs in action here. We are going to place our orders, and yes, I will be curious to see how it's prepared. So these are the chefs who are working here, and that there is Chef Soumyan. He is in action. I don't want to disturb him. So guys, this looks like such a cool place. To all the members of The Love of Goa, if you haven't heard of this group on Facebook, I highly recommend this group because the members share some very good information on the group, and that's how I know this place. Bev Ward, especially if you're watching this vlog, thank you so much for supporting us right from the start. And guys, I'm here at your favorite restaurant, and I'm going to try the food right here. Let's get back to the story of this bike. So it's a Royal Enfield, guys, very cool bike. I'm sure most of us love this bike, and I happened to meet this gentleman here who's behind the bar. He's Aditya. Nice to meet you. And he's Chef Soumyan's son. It's a very tongue twister. So yeah, I kept saying Soumyan. It's not Soumyan, it is Chef Soumyan. That's great. So Aditya told me that the bike belongs to him. That's his first bike, and he's so attached to the bike, he's parked it right inside the restaurant.
It's basically a ramp which is made just for the bike and the guests. So
Right.
it has a multi-purpose. The main purpose for the ramp was, the people who are elderly who come in the wheelchair. So it'll be easy for them to come
For
in.
them to come in, yeah.
And the second purpose, that was my purpose, to get the bike inside and keep her out of the sun.
That is great.
Yeah, that is it.
Guys, he takes care of the bike like it's his wife. I'm sure about that. And that is such a pleasing sight. I love Royal Enfields. Hopefully I can get one someday.
Sure.
And I'm excited about the food. We placed our orders.
Yes.
We placed like 5 to 6 items. I would need your help to,
Absolutely.
cover the food.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much for your time. Aditya, I see this gentleman here with the guitar. Could you please introduce our viewers?
Sure. So he's Joop, the singing Dutchman.
Wow.
Sings all of the classics. And
That's
over to
great.
you, Joop.
Yeah, that's what I try to do. Not all, but a lot of them. Eh?
That's
Like
great.
from the Beatles, Eric Clapton, Cliff Richard, Elvis Presley.
60s and the 70s.
Yeah, 60s and the 70s.
That's
Yeah.
great. You know, music nowadays isn't as good as it used to be.
No, it was nice music in that days. Very good.
Those days, yes,
It influenced also in the modern music, but now the computers are making
it's
the
all
music that is
electronic.
not
Not
that is
that.
not that. Yeah.
That's great. So it's nice to see the guitar in your hand, and I'm looking forward to watching you play some good old classic music.
I will.
Thank you so much for your time.
Okay.
That there is Chef Showman with his crew. Let me zoom in a bit. Yeah. So his entire crew here is with him. He's guiding everyone. And let's zoom out a bit now, and let me show you how huge the kitchen is. So they have so many chefs and they are all preparing the food for us.
This is crumb mushroom filled with cheese, celery, and black pepper.
Nice.
Simple, nothing more. Just crumbed and fried. This is a homemade barbecue sauce. We make it at home. It's in the kitchen itself. That's the chicken liver pate.
Right.
That's the pate. Again, it's made at home.
Right.
It's not ready-made stuff. Nothing is ready-made over here.
Right.
And the toast, the buttered toast and all. There's the squid, peri-peri dressing,
Right.
butter and garlic.
Great.
There's the vegetarian option, cottage cheese, again with a little masala, salted veggies, noodles and your pineapple, grilled chicken, demi-glaze, chicken demi.
What's this?
That's the jacket potato with sour cream.
Right.
That goes with the chicken. So basically, this is the dish. There's a demi-glaze, chicken demi-glaze,
Right.
and grilled chicken, salted vegetables. That's it, simple.
That's amazing. And while you were explaining everything, I couldn't take my eyes off the food because the pop of colors that is there on the food is fantastic. And you know, I'm so delighted and excited to be here because since 2 years I've been tracking your dad, to be honest, on the groups, and everyone spoke such good things about this place. And you were even rated number 1 in one of the contests that they had.
Yes, sir.
So, the guys from the Love of Goa, if you guys are watching, I am at your number 1 restaurant. Thank you so much for the explanation. Thank you so much, Aditya. I'll taste the food and let our viewers know what the review is. And I can see the gentleman there, he's getting some more stuff. So, we are,
Homemade fries, homemade chips.
yeah, we are bombed with a lot of food here. Of course, we can't eat so much, we'll need some takeaway.
Taste away, you taste. We'll pack it for
Thank
you.
you
Don't
so
worry
much.
about it.
Thank you so much. Before we could even start the review, someone has already started eating, and I can totally understand why. What do I start with? That is the big question. Alright, now that we are in Goa, let me go for the butter garlic squid. So, what I like about this place is the way the food is presented. It looks amazing. The ambience is perfect, it's silent here, and the food, the pop of colors on the food, it is fantastic. Let's go for this. The burst of flavors that you get. As soon as I had a bite of the squid, instantly I could taste the butter and the garlic. And the best part is the service is so quick, guys. In there are around 6 to 7 chefs who are working for you, and even when I entered, I felt they personally welcomed me and they made me comfortable. So far, the start has been amazing, and this one here is crumb mushroom. Over to the second dish here. So this is the crumb mushroom. It has cheese in it and this gorgeous looking sauce here. So let's get a generous amount of the sauce in here and let's go for this. Again, what is fascinating is, as Adrian said, the burst of flavors. If you have the squids, If you have the mushroom, it is so flavorful, so fresh. The squids were great, even the mushrooms cooked to perfection. And just look at how gorgeous this looks. Alright, now where do I go? So this one here, I have to get up, guys, because we have a lot on our table, but I have to do this for you. This is the chicken liver pate. Look at how beautiful it looks. This is melt in your mouth stuff. Literally melt in your mouth stuff. Thank you, Adrian. And Adrian has passed the toast as well. But the liver, guys, I absolutely love liver, and that one is literally melt in your mouth stuff. Chef is right behind me. I just want to tell you how incredible the food is. It tastes great, and the liver especially, I'm a big fan of liver. That is melt in your mouth stuff. That is so good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Great. So we've just finished with 3 items, and here we have the 4th one. I'm sorry my plate looks a mess, but we have to review so much food here. Right, what do we have here? The beautiful sizzler. So this is a veg sizzler, and I see that they have mushrooms, capsicum, baby corn. And what is this here? Looks like cottage cheese. Is it? I'm in food coma right now. It is excellent. There's so much of stuff on the sizzler here. There's even a grilled pineapple. I will have to use my hand, guys, because otherwise it's going to be messy. Cooked to perfection. Even the caramelization of the grill on the pineapple is just perfect. And if you haven't tasted grilled pineapple ever, try it, guys. It is amazing. Okay. And inside there's some gorgeous looking noodles as well. So this noodles is dressed with some beautiful sauce, and it is hot. Guys, do not try this, especially when you get a sizzler. Please take some of it on the plate and have it, otherwise it's going to be hot. But I need to do this because I have so much. Right, let's go for this. As I said, back to back, again and again. I know why you guys love this restaurant, because of the flavors. It hits the spot right away. I mean, the food before going here has gone here. It's gone to my soul literally. That's how tasty the food is here. And usually in our vlogs, you will mostly see us covering Goan thalis and authentic Goan food. But I highly recommend you guys to come and try this kind of food as well. It is sensational. And the chef, he's been cooking since the last 30 years, and I can see what a fantastic job he's done. Alright, now let's go for the grilled chicken. Again, if you see here, the caramelization on the grilled chicken and this gorgeous looking barbecue sauce. I'm sure this one is going to be great as well, because I've tried so much and everything was fantastic. This is that kind of a vlog where I don't need to talk. I mean, I don't want to talk because that's how good the food has been so far. And again here, in this one as well, there are some veggies sorted really well. Exceptional. This food is exceptional. And if you look at the ambience around me, we've come here on a weekday, so, and we've come early. We've come here at 7 as soon as the restaurant opens. On weekends, this place can get crowded. You can call them and book your spot, and they have live music as well. All right. Now here we have fries. Let's taste the fries. Even the fries are great. It shows that they have not used any packaged stuff like how Chef Shomian mentioned. Everything is made in house, everything has great taste, quality is amazing. And what do we have remaining? We have the jacket potato. So, this I know is Adrian's favorite potato preparation. And I know, Adrian, your eyes are there on it, but we have to taste this for our viewers. Wow. The skin on the potato, that is something that I'm a huge fan of. The skin on potato when cooked tastes great. Let's go for this. Whoa, what a ride this has been so far. Are we enjoying it? Sure we are. And look who's got the food now. So the camera woman has got the food now. I will let her have a moment. Adrian, we would love to hear your review as well. Adrian has made a sandwich and that was exactly my reaction when I had the liver. We are going to finish most of this and obviously we need to get takeaways. But after this, we have some mocktails coming up for you guys as well. We are not going to waste any of this. Done with our food and to wash. Okay. We are done. She's not leaving even a bit of it on the plate. That's how much we enjoyed it, and I thoroughly enjoyed myself as well. And we are not done. To wash all this yummy goodness down, Aditya is recommending a couple of mocktails that he's mentioned that we need to try. So let's go there to the bar and check out what they are preparing. Hi Aditya. So the guys behind the bar, Aditya and Mr. Amit. So they are the ones who are going to do the magic. So what do we have here?
I'll be making you an orange spirits,
Okay.
and then Amit will be making you a tropical blue.
Great.
So, yes.
Lovely. Let's do this. It's always good to watch the chefs and the bartenders behind the scenes, right? So yes. Let's see how this is prepared. So this one has lime and this one has orange spirits in it.
Yes.
It's all happening so fast. We have two drinks that are being prepared simultaneously. Aditya here has squeezed some lime and so has Amit. He's crushing the lime wedges in there.
With the mint leaves.
With the mint leaves. And here we have some lime juice. Cool. What is this?
This is the orange spirits from Monin,
From
which
Monin.
we use.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. That's good. That's 30 ml.
That's a 30.
30 ml. Okay, great. And what's happening here?
He's going to be using the blue curacao.
Blue Curacao, okay. So guys, shades of orange and blue. That's what we're going to see in our drinks. Did you visit the India Bike Week recently?
Yes, I did go for it, but then only when it was not busy.
Okay,
So otherwise, mostly we are busy throughout the nights.
right.
So I'd just gone in the night for a quick ride, and then I visited
And you
I
got
saw
back.
all the super bikes and everything.
Yeah, it was so cool. There were so many sports bikes in Goa. It was a beautiful sight. I wish someday I can upgrade my Activa to a Royal Enfield probably. Nice. That sounds beautiful. And what's this?
This is the simple syrup,
Simple syrup.
basically a sugar syrup.
syrup.
Yeah.
what Amit is up to. Oh, he's already prepared the drink. ये हो गया पूरा कि इसमें और
वो हुआ नहीं अभी.
थोड़ा कुछ आएगा. हाँ. And while they prepare this, let me show you a glimpse of the bar. So that's a huge bar that they have here. And in goes the soda. And there's some crushed ice that has gone in there. And soda. So those of you who know Team, this soda is very popular here in Goa. That's what they're using. And Aditya is adding some crushed ice here. So do you go on long rides and stuff?
Sometimes on Sundays, yes.
On Sundays?
Yeah.
Within Goa, I'm assuming?
Within the Goa-Maharashtra border or the Goa-Karnataka border.
Goa, Karnataka.
Yeah.
What was the best ride so far?
It was us on a Sunday.
Ah,
We had left Goa by I think 7:30 in the morning,
okay.
and there were like 31 odd bikers.
Right.
Totally, all on Enfields.
On
so
Enfield.
we
I
were
can
touring
imagine
through the
the
Chorla
sound.
Ghats and all of the places.
Wow.
Yes.
And was this during the monsoons?
Yes, it was during the monsoon season.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So Chorla Ghat, as you guys know, is beautiful during the monsoons. And by the way, we were in Pune before we could move to Goa. So Maharashtra is definitely, and Goa as well, is really gorgeous during the monsoons. But Chorla is Karnataka.
Yeah.
Karnataka, okay. Cool.
No.
So here
This
we
is the
have
Orange Spirits,
Orange Spirits, yeah. Gorgeous looking drink,
and this is the Tropical Blue.
tropical blue. I'm going to give this one to Adrian and I'll go for this one. Time to try this now. Even the drinks are super. So obviously these guys have put in a lot of hard work in doing everything what they do, but they ensure that the quality is not at all compromised. Even the drink here is fantastic. Although it's a mocktail, I am thoroughly enjoying this. And Adrian here has got her drink as well. What's your review?
Wow, I have no idea what he put into this, but it's
Yeah,
delicious.
so this has a orange base in it. In fact, let me try this also.
What is this?
Something very, very different. What a fantastic evening we've had, and now I know the reason why people love this place. It was fabulous, and now it's time to head back home. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, and stay positive.